My name is Alexis Juma. I'm the founder and CEO of Kakia Oils. More often than not, we find that farmers, like in Kenya, they feed the nation, and they are the most shortchanged in many value chains. And so as Kakia Oils, we decided to take up the mandate of stepping into the space of expanding markets for these very farmers. So what we do as a company is we support farmers by marketing, selling and distributing their rich, high premium, unadulterated and health restoring botanical oils for sustained livelihoods. So one may ask, why oils? And I always say I'm a primary beneficiary of the magic of oils, given that I had eczematic skin from a young age. And so my DIYing with different oils and trying to see what would work, then I was able to actually manage my eczema. And so being a primary beneficiary, I'm a firm believer in what oils can do. And in this case now, these are homegrown oils because we work with farmers in Kenya and within the region. So these are homegrown oils that are actually very high quality, and so are able to still express the very magic we are talking about. So why oils, one may ask? They have natural healing properties. They are very versatile and non-intrusive. And number three, they can effortlessly complement any other form of treatment that one may be on. We opened shop in December of 2018, and so I would say by now it's been a full year of testing the product and just trying to understand maybe the systems and processes that us as Kakia can put in place so that one, we are able to have a flow from farm to the market, and also just learning as we go, because my area is totally different. I'm a social development professional. So having come into entrepreneurship, I had to do a lot of learning as we go. So that 1 year we've been able to test the product both at the retail level and the wholesale level. And honestly, the feedback is very good. We have had customers come to say that our product is different in the sense that they have worked with people before who have delivered substandard oils for them. But that is the very essence of why we are in the space we are in. For oils to work, it has to be very good quality oil. And so for us, being that we source the very oils from directly from farmers, that it means that it's good quality oil, and therefore it goes to do what we expect for it to do based on the science that have been done around oils. Currently, we are working with about eight farmer groups, because these are smallholder farmers that have come together, brought their produce together, and then they do express that oil. So whenever we need to, we contact them, they send the oil, and we take it to the client that requires it. So we're working with 8 different farmer groups from across the country, and the region, like I said, Uganda and Rwanda, and about 300 in total within now the 8 groups that I had mentioned earlier. It's interesting, with my background as a social development professional, actually I target the child. But then again, I can't work directly with the child. So my aim is to work with the parents so that they have sustained livelihoods, and then they're able to address the household needs that they may have, which include, of course, buying food for the children, educating the children, addressing health needs, and all-round needs for the farmer households. It's interesting. I think as I keep thinking about my venture and what it stands for and everything, ideas keep changing every other day. But honestly, at a personal level, given that I grew up an orphan from the age of 10, and so children touch my heart very deeply. I would love to touch as many children as I can, probably in the thousands of them, and have them access opportunity through now us working in their communities, and us being able probably to do what we can just to ensure that there's improved quality of life at that level. And then at a business level, oh my goodness, it's so much. We are hoping that we can put up a plant, hopefully in the next 2 to 3 years, and then this plant would be able to extract again high quality oils that would again be able to introduce Kenya and Africa to the world. I mean, we have such good produce around here, and the quality of oil is just as good as any oil out there. So in essence, our Kenyan oil, our African oil should actually be able to access the markets out there as any other oil. Basically, this is a great opportunity. I'm grateful to be here and I'm looking forward to a lot of learning. And so yes, Africa, and yes, we can.